Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate discount price in Excel. We open the Excel file to see the data to be calculated. Now in the discount cell, enter the equal sign, the original value, the multiplication sign, enter the discount and divide it by 100. Press enter to see the discount value. You can drag this formula to the other cells. Now to determine the final cost, in another cell enter the equal sign, the original value minus the discount value. Press enter to see the final cost. You can drag this formula to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.